1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. What's up, Jooba people? This song was brought to you by the Jooba people. Oh, wrong. This one. Haha. The Jooba people. So thanks so much for suggesting this song. And you guys are awesome. We have about 100 plus people in the community now, and it's growing really well. I'm so thankful for that. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, so every week I do a tutorial from there, sometimes 3, like last week. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so you can download the PDF for this video, for this song. It's got all the chords and lyrics using the link in the description. And yeah, let's get right into it. So the chords, the tuning of this song is in drop D. So if you were in standard tuning, you just... That's standard tuning. So you want to tune the 6th string down to a D like this. So you play your 4th string. Until the 6th string and the 4th string sound the same. And then you put capo on 1st fret, and then you have the song. So the main song is the chords that's used the most is D and G. So first get these shapes, regular D, and then the G used with the drop voicing. So this G, you want to actually mute the 5th string. So you'll see the notes that I put in parentheses. Those are the notes that are used to play the fills, okay? And like this one, there's a B minor, but then you sometimes play that string open, okay? And then this, you play the E minor like that, but then you walk up using this note in parentheses. So that's how to understand the chord shapes. So this G, I just play like this and then mute the bottom string with my index finger. That's the one he uses in the song. So D, B minor, E minor. Those are the 4 chords that he uses, okay? So D, so we start with this little riff here. And we're gonna play the whole thing with a pick like this. On the 2 middle strings. And then, so the way he plays it, he actually does it with the ring finger like this. And then you end there on this D shape. And then slowly. Once you have that riff down, you have most of the song. There's some nuances here and there. For the strumming, if you battle with the strumming, you kind of do like a hybrid picking and strumming. Down, down, up, down, up, down, misses up, down, up, down, down, up. can vary between those three patterns. Down, down, up, down, up, down, miss, up, down, up, miss, up, down. And then you kind of sometimes hit single strings, sometimes hit all the strings, or just the bass strings, sometimes just the high strings. Chord progressions for the song are basic, but this kind of maps out the structure nicely. Intro is D, G, D, D. And verse has the same structure, except the third line, you swap it out for B minor, the D. But you always have G on the second bar. And always D for two measures. Except in the chorus, that D gets replaced with the B minor. Then it's E minor. If you want to follow the chords, so this would be the way I would memorize it in my head. Really the only thing you have to memorize, so intro you have to memorize because you're playing the riff, but then you just have to memorize that the third line of the verses are going to be different than the intro. Okay, so that's just what you need to memorize. Okay, and you can see this very clearly if you look at a verse here. You have the intro thing being played twice, and then you have the change in the third line, and then you have back to the normal intro. Okay, and the same thing with the chorus, but then the chorus it's E minor, G, B minor. And the reason why there's not two B minors written here is just because of the lyrics, but there's actually two measures of B minor there. There we go, and two measures of D. Okay, so let me just show you some nuances here in the song. Hard on. I'm just going to play pause this. I'm just going to play from the beginning quickly so you get the idea. Oh, they do this riff. They do that little riff. Which is probably the hardest part of the song, I think. But you don't have to do that. He doesn't do that in some of the live versions that he plays. So hard on the road, keeps her hand on the gun, can't trust anyone. I was so sure, but I needed more. Try to shake down the sun. Days when we rage. So there he does it. Out the sun. And then here we can go. Days when we rage. As a walk down. It's not essential. Days. It's just that C sharp taking you to the 6th chord, the B minor. Rage throughout the pace, such damage was done. But I made it through. Somebody knew I was meant for someone. We ain't leaving this room. I'm gonna go from It's Cold. It's cold inside and I ain't going out to chop wood. So cover me up, you're enough, use me for. That's kind of the vibe. I mean, he doesn't really do the riffs in while he's singing the song. He just does normal chords and then just does the riff in between the sections. but you can choose if you want to add the riff. But that's it for the song. See you in another video. Cheers, guys.